And now to the coronavirus. The first case reported in this country was 1 year ago this week. And tonight, the nation now nearing that milestone, 400,000 lives lost. And news on the vaccination effort. Here's ABC's Steve Osunsami now.
This week now marks a whole year since COVID-19 first appeared in this country, when the president was saying the disease would be handled.
We have it totally under control. It's one person coming in from China, and we have it under control. It's going to be just fine.
But the new numbers tonight aren't fine. The number of Americans killed by the coronavirus is now nearly 400,000. And the CDC warns that another 100,000 could die in the next month. The disease is overwhelming funeral homes tonight in Los Angeles County. The cemeteries can't keep up. Manuel Lopez Marquez died last week, but his family says they might not be able to bury him for another month and a half.
When we called the cemetery, we were 102 on the waiting line, and it took about 6 to 7 hours to get through this the mortuary.
In hard-hit communities like this one in Yuma, Arizona, they're waiting on new supplies of the vaccine because they don't have enough doses for everyone who is eligible to get one. Pat Parker in Texas is one of the many who says she's desperate to get the shot.
I don't want to die of COVID. It's that simple. I don't want to die of COVID.
In California, they're working through a setback. More than 330,000 doses are on hold until health officials can figure out why a small number of people at a single vaccination center suffered possible allergic reactions after getting the shot.
The risk, which is so small, of a severe allergic reaction, particularly somebody who's never had a history, really is minute compared to the risk of just having COVID.
Diana Canizo says it could have been something else that caused her reaction and says she doesn't want other Americans to avoid the vaccine.
I do have a lot of friends that have heard my story and still went and got their vaccine, and I think that's amazing.
Health officials here at the CDC are now tracking variants of the coronavirus that are more contagious. They point out that the vaccine works against all of this, which is why they underline that an overwhelming number of Americans need to get vaccinated. David?
All right, Steve Osunsami. Steve, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.